Good morning. We want to talk to you about hard water, which is one of our experiments in our chemistry magic kit. Hard water demonstrates the difference between solid, liquids, and gases. Let me show you. This is hard water A, which is also available in the kit. We pour hard water A into one of the beakers that is provided in your kit. And with hard water A, we're going to add hard water B. So now we have two liquids. And how will we make that into a solid? Watch. See the solid? Now, we are going to take the solid, we actually converted a liquid into a solid. See the solid? Now, we are going to light it. And now, this is the flame. And what you're seeing is the alcohol burning. The solid is the calcium acetate. And so what we're demonstrating here is the difference between solid, liquids, and gases. The solid is the calcium acetate, that is the B portion of the hard water. A is the alcohol. We mix them together and we form a solid. Now, what's burning is the alcohol. But not only is the alcohol burning, watch, we can pick it up and it's not hot. Why is that? Because the alcohol is also evaporating. And as the alcohol is evaporating, while it's burning, it's going to give you a cooling effect. Similar to what you experience when you're running and you sweat. The sweat or the water from your body evaporates and allows your body to cool down. And that is what we're doing here. So this is hard water A and B available in the chemistry magic kit.